So, hi guys. Good day, good afternoon. Today, nag-order ako online again guys sa Deichman kasi nagka-sale sila up to 70%. So, this is actually my third parcel from them. First, yung sa birthday present ko sa husband ko was also on sale 50% from 60 euro naging 60 euro I just paid from 60 euro I just paid 30 euros, and now I ordered again for shoes for Ate Ella namin sa Deichman din. Sa online ako bumibili guys kasi para hindi na hassle pumunta sa city para mag-shopping. So ayun, dumating na siya today. Ang bilis din niya. Same lang sila ng Amazon at saka sa Deichman. Sa Amazon ako palagi din nag-order online. So it took only I think 2 days. It took now, so I open this now guys. So to see the review. Ito yun siya guys, yung box. Ayan. So yung receipt is here. Yeah, ito yun guys, oh. From 27.90 euro. Naka-sale na yan siya guys, plus half of sale pa din. 13.95 lang ang nabayaran ko. 14 euro for the Adidas shoes. That's actually for mine, pero hindi ako sure kung kasya siya kasi normally 36 half or 37 ang size ng paa ko. Sa ibang shoes naman 38. So ang last size na lang na natira is 36 half. So I got it. Kung hindi man magkasya, bibigay ko sa mga pamangkin ko sa Pilipinas, at saka isa din para sa Ate Ella namin, Adidas din siya, for 20 euro only. Yeah, hindi nakalagay dito kung magkano yung original price, pero I think it's 40 euro, tapos ang nabayaran ko na lang is 19.95. So first here, for my Ate Ella. Ito yun. Open natin. Oh! Ayun guys. Wow! Ayun. Just for only... yeah, here guys, nakalagay 39.90 euro. And I just paid 19.95. So, 20 euro lang yung nabayaran ko sa shoes na ito. Size 31 for my Ate Ella. So, this is really nice. At saka, yun, ang ganda niya guys. Ayan siya. So, kasi wala pa siyang rubber shoes na magagamit for school. That's it. And the next one is this one. So ito yung in-order ko na hindi ako sure kung magkakasya sa akin kasi normally size 37 ako or 36 half for shoes, for rubber shoes, or sometimes 38. Pero since ito na lang yung isang natira at saka for the price of 13.95 euro guys, for 14 euros, why not, diba? Kung hindi magkasya man, sa pamangkin ko siya ibibigay. So ayun. Open natin siya guys. So 39.90 siya. Original price niya 39.90 and I paid only 13.95. So why not? So I think kasya siya sa akin guys. I think so. Ito yung in-order ko. Ito. Adidas din siya. Yeah, it says here 36 to 3rd. 36. So I think kasya siya kasi ang shoes ko ganito din yung kalaki. Kasi umorder ako before sa Under Armour na brand. Hindi size 38 yun ang kinuha ko dahil wala nag-size 37. Tapos size 38 yung kinuha ko para sure. Hindi, at first guys, parang first kita ko, ganito lang siya kalaki. Sabi ko, bakit ang liit? Pero, nung sinukat ko, nagkasya naman, pero parang size 37 lang siya. So, I was thinking, maybe for other brands, maybe yung paa ko is size 38 para sa shoes ng mga ganun. Pero this one is size 36. So, I think it's going to fit on me. So, ayun guys. Hanggang ngayon guys, up to 70% sale pa din off. Naka 70% off pa rin yung Deichman. Online ko lang siya in-order. Pero ang iba sold out na, pero may iba pa din na may natitira, especially for kids. Marami pa, at saka for boys, yung sa husband ko sa Deichman ko din ina-order for 60 euro, 30 euro na lang nabayaran. Hi po! Good afternoon! Nagra-wrap kami ng presents for Frank with Ella. Dumating na yung parcel ko. I ordered from Deichman. Shoes guys, from the price of $59.95 naging $29.95 na lang siya. See? $29.95 na lang. So ayun So I think that's it guys. So far my review for Deichman online is super good. It's a good choice and ang quick, ang dali din ng delivery nila. At saka wala nang hassle papuntang shop nila para mag-shopping. So I did it online. So I think it's a good job that I did it online, and for this price, for the two of them, for 33.90 euro for the two shoes is really a good buy already. So that's it guys, and thank you for watching, and I hope you like it, and I hope it gives you idea at least na to visit Deichman online, or if you are like me, like I have a 2 months baby. It's so hassle to go out to shop, and for stuff like this kailangan naming mag-travel by train para bumili. So ayun, that's it guys. So thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe, and I hope to see you again on my next video. So bye guys.